Okay, how far is the portage?
It's like 400 paces, so about 400 meters.
Okay, good.
I'm sponsoring Sea Eagle on your channel.
Okay, go sing your karaoke song there.
We are here for you. We are here for you. To you our hearts are open. Nothing here is hidden. You are our one desire.
We have our paddler, Sebastian Muggeridge. Woohoo! Here we're doing this comprehensive lacrosse edition of Kayak Pool Karaoke. Render, the song of Salve Regina. Okay.
Salve Regina, Mater misericordiae, vita dulcedo, espes nostra salve. A te clamamus, exules Kyrie Eve, a te suspiramus, gementes et flentes, in ac lacrimarum vale. Ea ergo, advocata nostra, ilos tuos, misericordes oculos, ad nos converte. O pia, o dulcis Virgo Maria.
Okay, and this episode is sponsored by Sea Eagle Kayak. Yourself the world forsake and humbly follow after me.
We are companions of the kayak and of the cross.
That's a big
spotting us.
cross there.